So I was in encoding. After we encode the features, we train it, and this is the training model for it. This is the training model for it. So we are training the encoded X and the target, which is Y. And then this is the new data. These are the new instances of which we are going to add to the trained already trained data. So this is for the row 100, size of 100 and color of blue, size of 200 and color of red, size of 200 and color of green. And then we have to still encode the new data. It's very, very, very important. If not, the model will not be able to read the new data since it's carrying strings. And regression machine learning it always understands numbers. So that's machine language. And then we are going to print the price actually. So this is the whole code from the beginning. Take note of the libraries to the loading of the data set, to the separation of the features and the target, to the encoding. Now the model definition, the class, the regression package, the training, the coefficient, but this coefficient right now I'm going to explain to you further later. Then the taking of the new data. The new data has to be taken for it to be predicted. Then we print. So when you run it, it's going to show you, yes, you can see now predicted price 201 excuse me